Alex family. Funny family.
I tell you honestly speaking. Any day we go kill you, make you first kill me.
I'm not too much.
Alex family. Baba
If man want to live long, he's supposed to have a fine lady like you.
Oh, you can say that again.
Let me enjoy it with the age of my daughter.
My brother, my sister. No. You have to give your life to Christ. My brother, my sister, see, repent. I'm telling you, repent. You have to give your life to Christ.
Well, all these people, when they have tried all their best, they did not succeed. They will turn to automatic pastor.
A few
I can tell you
moments
something.
later.
Say, give your life to Christ. You know they hear. See, I'm a pastor, a real man of God. Brother, give your life to Christ.
Hold on, pastor. You see, why every one of you, especially when you did not make it, that's why you keep on disturbing the people that are enjoying their life. Repent to which color?
My brother, as I'm talking to you have to give your life to Christ.
Hold on. When you say repent, the problem we have is that you never ask which color we should repent. We should repent to green or blue or white or
Sister, people must repent. Oh, you don't want to repent. Go down. I said, say I will repent. I will repent. Say I will repent. Sing it.
I will repent.
Sing it.
I will repent.
Sing it.
I will repent.
I can sing it.
I will repent.
Sing it. Sing it.
I will repent.
Sing it.
I will repent. I will repent. I will repent. Don't know, I will repent. Sure. I will repent.
No, so?
My drink.
Oh, my brother, my sister. My brother, repent. My brother, my sister, repent.
I'm the master. In case you don't know.
I'm